When I originally joined Mount Valley, it was a pretty small mom and pops kind of place. There was 2 or 3 trucks. A lot of the processes were different, slower.
When I started in 2010, it was 4 crews and not the best equipment.
Before Groundworks, we had some issues going on with materials and tools, equipment, stuff like that.
Partnering with Groundworks, all that changed.
Mount Valley's been serving homeowners in South Carolina for right at 35 years. It took us 30 years to get to $5 million in sales and revenue. Being a part of Groundworks, we were able to take that number from $5 million to $32.5 million in just a 5-year period.
Groundworks did way beyond what I anticipated. The sheer growth that I've seen has just been unbelievable.
One of our biggest areas of growth has definitely been our production team. We went from 5 crews, now we're upwards of 30.
The numbers we were doing back in 2017 were $500,000 per month. Now, through all the branches, we're closer to $3 million per month.
In 2018, Mount Valley's expanded the Greenville market with an office there. In 2021, we opened an office in Charleston as well, and is servicing all the way down into Savannah.
We've really been able to create an opportunity for 13 men and women to step up into a managerial role.
Our warehouse here has tripled in size. The office has probably doubled in size, and now we're fully staffed.
Prior to Groundworks, we installed almost exclusively foundation piers. However, since then, we've started with poly renewal, as well as crawl space carpentry and basement waterproofing.
One great thing about Groundworks is that they believe in their leaders and developing their talents.
We get a lot of hands-on tutorials on everything, how it properly needs to be installed.
Training has helped Mount Valley get better because there's less callbacks on jobs now.
We've been to several different trainings in Virginia Beach, taking 60 leaders together and gaining years and years of experience to help run our business.
Our guys get sent out to different branches to get trained. We sent a poly guy to the top poly crew that we knew. When he got back, his numbers almost doubled.
I think Groundworks' investment in their employees is a huge part of what makes Groundworks who they are.
Never have I worked for a company like that before that invests into their employees the way this company does. They spend a tremendous amount of money with FTX, boot drives, kickoffs, and events that they do for us.
These past 5 years have been really great for me. The pay increased, a lot of bonus incentives. Also, we get a lot more family time. I've actually purchased a house in last year.
I'm able to provide for my family. My wife is able to stay home with our kids.
It's great to be able to afford to give the child care we want, the schools we want.
It gives me the confidence to know that I work hard and I can develop myself to get to where I want to go.
I was able to get a house, and being able to provide is a true blessing, and Mount Valley has done that for me. So,
with Groundworks, it's great to know that people without even a college education, you can grow as much as you're willing to work.
I've never been in an environment that's offered me as much as I have here.
This is a place that people want to come to work every day.
It's exciting, it lights a fire in the guys to know that they're a part of something that is bigger than just us.